Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change notification sound on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here, you can click on sound and vibration option. After that, here you are going to find the notification sound. Okay, so just click on notification sound. After click on notification sound, you are going to find this feature many sounds. Okay, so from here you can select any sounds. So if you want to hear the notification sound, just click like this and you will be able to hear. And if you want to set this notification sound on your mobile phone, what you need to do is that you have to click twice. Okay, it means double. Okay, 1 2, then this notification sound will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. You just need to click twice. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.